So looking at gold today on Thursday, just want to show you some key levels. So of course, we had clearly agreed that this is an all-time high. Market has failed to break, went reached here to pull down. And then from here, we had a strong bearish break below this, all the way below this. Okay, so now we are trading around here. And this is also where the market broke off from. So once we have this, we just want to understand how price is behaving here. And then maybe we can start targeting these other lows here or this range here. From here, we had a scenario whereby we had this daily high here, where we were looking for buying opportunities above this daily high. But as you can see now, market has actually failed to continue further up from this daily high, giving us another daily high here. So for you to be able to understand price better here, you need to come to a lower time frame. And in that case, if I just come to the 1 hourly time frame and then try to understand price from here. Now, this was the daily high we were looking for buying opportunities. Where like if market breaks above this daily high here, we could actually be looking for buying opportunities. But what I want you to observe here is that here we've seen a scenario. Let me just remove that and I use this. So we've seen a scenario whereby once the market broke above this daily high, it gave us a high here. So we had marked that high like that. So we want to see a scenario whereby the market breaking this high so that we can begin to target these other highs here. But if you observe this carefully here, and then if you're taking a buy here, you will be taken out because market could not reach this high, instead form the lower high here. So now with this formation of these lower highs here, it was telling us that the market is failing to go further up. So that means there was a chance the market was going to break, and then the chance came from here and the market broke below this. So now we failed to form higher highs. Instead, we're breaking lower lows. So we've broken this, the market formed this low, and now we've broken below this. So what we want you to observe here, just from simple market structure, is that the market is beginning to break lower lows. That means there is a chance that we could actually head. We're bearish now. We're bearish until the market breaks above this or this. So what you want to see now is that you want to find yourself in a situation whereby now this is the area we're going to wait for trading opportunities. And if the market pulls back into this area and then breaks back inside, we could actually have that because of this scenario. But if we break above this, then we can look for those buys. But right now we are bearish again. So gold has actually been behaving in a funny way from this range and now to another range here. However, this other range here there's clarity in this range because we're breaking lower lows and failing to form higher highs. So right now we're bearish on gold, especially if it can fail to go further up here, we can have that move to the downside and possibly all the way to these other lows here. So let's see how this plays out this Thursday, Friday, and then into next week.